Hello everyone, this is Sai GT back with another video, and it's raining like crazy. It's raining like crazy. It's just like pouring. Oh, it's starting up again.
Oh my gosh! 45
It's so loud. It is so loud.
Dude, you gotta talk to those guys
Wow.
out there. Ask them about reeling in that beast.
Okay, yeah, that is a second
Oh.
case. That is a second case from the manual. Not from Lake James's book.
That Wahoo died.
Raining like crazy.
Dabbing.
Alrighty.
Yeah, look at he's got his wing out there. He's like, dab.
Alright, let me see if I can get a word.
Absolutely. Holy God, that's
It's
such
raining.
oh my goodness.
Like James on that one.
That's what I was talking about. Those Guam guys know where those yellowfin are and know how to get them in the boat.
Sonny! Oh my gosh, look at that sweet.
Yeah.
Wow, the rain.
Yeah. Sorry.
Hey, you're allowed to.
Oh my god. It was insanely raining. Oh my gosh, it's wet. And I'm wet now.
Now, Jake, there's a lot of questions being asked by the officials from the manual regarding that
crazy.
yellowfin.
Nice, trying to get all the info there.
I'll see you later. Bye.
I think he's
I'll
trying to
keep
get
you
hands on that
updated.
for his fish tacos.
I don't know what to
Well, chef,
make the video title about, so yeah, just enjoy it. It's pretty crazy.
hey, I did
getting
yesterday,
wet.
man, the OG fried chicken is the bomb.
See you later. Bye.